When you click Publish Campaign, you'll have the option to publish what you've built as a standalone landing page or to embed it within your website. To embed what you've built on a website you've never embedded content in before, click here. Add the website's URL, and as an option, you can give this website a nickname. This is handy if you're planning on embedding on multiple websites. Over here, you can choose if you'd like to embed this campaign inline on a specific page, or as a pop-up. For this example, I'll choose to display it inline on a specific page. I'm going to add this to our Contact Us page on this website, so the exact path will be the domain and Contact Us. When you're done configuring this page, click Publish. ShortStack will generate 2 bits of code that you'll need to install. This top bit is the global embed code. This will only need to be installed on your website once. For all future campaigns embedded on the same site, you can go straight to installing the div element code, which is displayed down below. If you need to install the global embed code, click here to open a list of instructions for your specific CMS. Once that's done, copy this div element. Simply paste this bit of code into the page where you'd like your campaign to display. And that's it. Your campaign will display as an embed within the page you've indicated. However, if you encounter any issues, come back to the Publications menu and click Validate to check for errors.